love this chicken. You're gonna love this chicken. The chicken is almost ready. Almost ready. Look at that. That's how we do chicken wings. That's how we do chicken wings. Look at that. Look how crispy it is. Look at that. Another 2 minutes and it's out. Yeah, 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. What's on top of my chin? My mouth. I'm out. I'm taking a piece of the chicken.